In front of me is ZTE Blade A73, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and clicking on connected devices right away. Then tap on connection preferences, select printing, and tap on default print service, or select add service and install the best one for you. When it's ready, it will appear in printing settings. Either way, just click on your desired service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!